safety and fire prevention and lint cleaning and dryers. We go into a lot of facilities and they may not be very good at cleaning the lint drawers. The lint screens themselves start getting holes in them. They don't replace that. That lint then starts filling up inside the machine. It fills up in the vent going outside of the machine, and you start getting lint all over your facility. Lint is one of the best kindlings ever for a fire. When you start building up that lint inside of that dryer, it affects the airflow. It causes that airflow switch not to work properly because the air has to have a certain suction to be able to hold that airflow switch in. And so now the dryer is not going to be working as well. Lint buildup is one of the things that we see a lot of that causes service calls. And we'll have to come out and pull the panels out, vacuum everything out. Burners themselves will get clogged with lint. They're not properly letting the gas come out. It can elongate flames, get down in the basket, which also can cause dryer fires. So making sure that your lint is being cleaned out properly, that you're doing preventative maintenance and getting the lint out of the vents, out of the machine, is really super important for safety, but also functionality. So there's some new technologies out there. Alliance has, it's called ProCapture, where it uses a same kind of technology of spinning air that you would on a Dyson vacuum, and where it will fall out of the air stream versus having to capture it with a screen. Very unique, patented new technology that I think over time will be the standard in the industry. In the dryers themselves, there will be a very fine mesh screen that captures a portion, majority of the portion of that lint that you can clean out. If that screen starts to wear out and have holes in it, they're not that expensive, buy a new screen. On the vents themselves, they're not tubes, but anymore they'll be typically 8-inch or 6 or 8-inch metal that goes out. If the ducting is run properly, there will be a clean out port that a HVAC company can just pull that out of there and then run their system in there to vacuum and clean that whole run of vent to the outside. You will see it start to build up outside of wherever it's exhausting to look, and if you start seeing lint building up out of there, it's time to address it. It's time to get that cleaned up. It's time to clean up that lint. If you see it on the inside of the dryer, either call us out or do it yourself, but take those front panels off, get inside the box, clean it, get around the basket, clean it. And that needs to typically be done annually.